Next up we have Lunchbox. What's up, buddy? Here, I'm gonna try some of this old racing. Got a master case in here. Should be 2 mini cases inside. There we go. And that side. Keller. And that side. And this side. Let's see what case this is. Case number 1258. Okay. $1,258A, $1,258B. 1, 2, 3 left, 4, 5, 6 right. 1 left. We'll do A. There's still. There they go. Alright, 1 on top, 6 on bottom. Bottom 1. And that will leave over box number 75. Focus. I guess that's a 68. 04. 14, 05, and yours is 03. Here we go. We have $4.99. That dude. Joey Logano. Casey Kane. Acetate of 29 card. That's a cool looking patch card for a 50. You have shoe chunk with a logo on it. Little chunk of logo on the fire suit and a glove. Earnhardt Jr. numbered to 50. Earnhardt again, that's Senior Baines, Edwards, Carl Yarbrough, and Jumbo Fire Suit autograph, Ryan Newman, 33 of 50. Nice looking chunk on that one too. Carl, Denny, Jeff, Acetate, oh, it's the exact same card. Acetate card. The M&M card, number 18, and piece of sheet metal, numbered to 99, and that's Kyle Busch, the M&M card. Looks like M&M colors on the sheet metal. Okay, that'll do it. Lunchbox, appreciate that. Get it all on the way. See ya.